Starting a radio station today doesn't require a huge budget or years of experience. In this video, I guide you through the full journey, from the first idea to your first broadcast, whether you're going online, FM, or both. First, get clear on your vision. Ask yourself, why are you starting this station? Who is it for? And what will people come to you for? Music, talk, news, or a specific niche? When your purpose and audience are clear, every decision after that becomes simpler. Next is branding. Pick a name people can remember, and a short tagline that explains what you stand for. Then define a basic visual style, a logo, a couple of colors, and a consistent look. You don't need perfection here, you need something recognizable. So your station feels like a real identity and not just like a playlist. Now, plan your content. Decide what you'll broadcast and when. Choose your main genres or topics and build either playlists, programs, or both. Then choose your format. Live shows with hosts, pre-recorded episodes, or a mix. A simple weekly schedule is enough at the beginning, but it's important. Listeners will want to know what to expect and when to tune in. Before you go live, take licensing seriously. Online stations usually need the right music streaming license for royalties. FM or other terrestrial broadcasting can also require frequency license and specific compliance rules. Requirements vary by country, so don't guess. A quick check with your local licensing body keeps you safe from problems later. Let's talk equipment. You can start with the essentials: a decent computer, a stable internet, a microphone, and a closed-back headphones. Then you'll use an encoder or broadcasting app to send audio to your streaming provider. If you expand into FM or DAB later, that's when you'll add transmitters, antennas, and more controlled studio environment. Then choose your streaming service. Look for something reliable that supports Shoutcast or Icecast or other popular formats, fits your expected audience size, and give you solid metadata support, so your listeners see song titles and artworks correctly. Once you sign up, you'll get a custom stream URL. Test everything properly before you announce the station publicly. After that, build a real home for your station. A website is not optional if you want to grow. With WordPress and a radio-focused setup, you can have a clean player, show pages, a schedule, podcast, and contact details in one place. Keep it simple. The play button should be obvious, the schedule should be easy to find, and the site should load fast on mobile. Finally, promotion. Share your shows consistently on social media, build a newsletter, publish replays and podcast episodes, and submit your station to radio directories. Ask hosts and guests to share their appearance too. Word of mouth still works, especially when the content is good. Over time, as your audience grows, you can start looking for sponsorships, ads, or merchandise to support a project. Launching a radio station is realistic and is absolutely doable. Start small, keep improving, and focus on building a community around your sound and your voice. If you like these videos and want to know more, check out pro.radio. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.